So, you want to get your Phantom wallet interacting with the Cielo Telegram bot? I got you. Telegram bots for crypto activities like Cielo have become quite popular among traders in the USA looking for advanced tools. Cielo works within Telegram, so connecting a wallet is different from websites. Cielo can generate a new secure wallet for you directly inside the bot. This is often the recommended way. You would then send crypto-like SOL from your Phantom wallet to this new Cielo wallet address to fund your activities. Alternatively, Cielo might allow you to import an existing wallet using its private key. However, it is extremely important that you do not use the private key from your main Phantom wallet or any wallet with significant funds for this purpose due to security risks. If you import, use a new separate wallet. There is no direct connect Phantom button like on a web page. Your main secure interaction is funding a Cielo-provided wallet from your Phantom. Always prioritize the safety of your private keys. And that's it.